In Chapter 6, it is important to understand and remember the properties of different types of polygons. Let's have a look at the properties of 5 types of polygons. First, we have equilateral polygons. Equal means equal. Here, equilateral means the lengths of all sides of the polygon are equal. For example, both the rhombus and the equilateral pentagon match this property. Next, we have equiangular polygons. Equiangular means all interior angles of the polygon are equal. For example, rectangle has 4 angles of 90 degrees, and all the angles of this equiangular hexagon are the same. Regular polygon is the most important one. It is an equilateral polygon and an equiangular polygon at the same time. That means the lengths of all sides are equal, and all interior angles are equal. We will often come across this kind of polygon in the following chapters. For example, square is the most common regular polygon. Look at the regular pentagon on the right. Each side of this polygon is 1. And all interior angles of this polygon are the same. These 3 kinds of polygons are classified by their equal size and equal angles. Next, we have 2 other kinds of polygons classified by their sizes of interior angles. In a convex polygon, all interior angles are smaller than 180 degrees, just like the polygon shown here. A concave polygon is the opposite. At least one interior angle is larger than 180 degrees. The polygon here is a concave polygon, as this angle is larger than 180 degrees. Here is the common mistake for this chapter. Students cannot identify the correct uniform cross-section of a prism. They often misunderstand that the base we refer in daily communication is the uniform cross-section of a prism. This may not be always true. How should we find the correct answer then? We can first check the 2 opposite faces. Let's use the solid in the figure as an example. The face at the bottom is the blue rectangle. We have to consider its opposite faces, that is, the faces on top. There are 2 blue rectangles on the top, which is different from the bottom. If they are not the same, these faces are not the uniform cross-sections. Next, have a look on the left and the right. On the right, we have a red rectangle. We have the same rectangle on the left. Are they the uniform cross-sections? We have to check one more thing. Imagine the cross-sections when the right rectangle is moving to the left rectangle. when it moves to the middle, the cross-sections will become smaller. So, these faces are not the uniform cross-sections. Next, consider the front and the back. We have a yellow U shape at the front. We have the same U shape at the back. Imagine the cross-sections when the U shape moves from the front to the back. The cross-sections are always this U shape. So, they are the uniform cross-sections of the prism. In the next chapter, they are the bases when we calculate its volume.